When building RAG applications, you usually generate vector embeddings as part of the initial data ingestion. But data changes over time, so its embeddings need to be updated as well. If the embeddings are not kept in sync with the underlying data, the semantic search component of your application will continue depending on the old version of the embeddings, and this will negatively impact the quality of the search results, including relevance, and ultimately affect the user experience as well. There are a few common ways to tackle vector embedding updates. One of them is to generate the embedding as part of the application's write path. Now, this is simple, but it tightly couples your application to the embedding model, and that can impact the write latency. And you will likely need to handle aspects like retries and throttling, so that further complicates your application code. Another approach is to update embeddings asynchronously. Most databases have a change feed or a similar mechanism that allows you to subscribe to data changes, and you can use that to trigger an embedding update as part of a separate application like a background worker. Now, this approach decouples the model invocation from the write path, but you need to manage a separate application and all its related infrastructure concerns, like maintaining a message broker or perhaps dealing with dead letter queues. You will also need to consider how to handle things like back pressure if the embedding model is slower than the rate of data change. So overall, with this approach, you will have a bit more control, but this comes at the cost of additional operational work. Now, there is a third option, which is kind of the best of both worlds, and that is to let the data platform handle this for you. So you do give up a bit of control, but a lot of the operational overhead is reduced. One example of this approach is integrated embeddings in Azure Cosmos DB. So you can specify which properties of your data should be embedded and pick the embedding model you want to use. When you write to the database, Cosmos DB will generate the embedding and store it alongside your data. When the data changes, Cosmos DB automatically regenerates the embedding and writes it back to the item. You can also point this to your existing data because it can backfill embeddings data in your existing collections as well. So behind the scenes, Cosmos DB does all the heavy lifting of managing the infrastructure that uses the Cosmos DB change feed to trigger the embedding model and update the embeddings. All the operational concerns like retries and throttling and error handling are already handled for you, so you can focus on the important parts of your application. So when building RAG or AI applications that depend on semantic search, make sure to consider how you're going to keep the vector embeddings synchronized with your data. There are multiple approaches, but each has its trade-offs and nuances, so choose the one that best fits your application's needs as well as operational capabilities.